Today we will discuss about the types of fractions. So first, proper fraction. In this fraction, improper fraction, whose numerator is less than the denominators, those fractions are called proper fractions. So let's write some example. 2 by 3. Here we see the numerator is less than the denominator. So these are proper fractions. Let me give some more example. 4 by 7, 9 by 11, 1 by 15. So in these fractions, we see all the numerators are less than their denominators. See, 2 is small than the denominator 3. 4 is smaller than 7. 9 is smaller than 11. 1 is smaller than 15. So these types of fractions are called proper fraction. Now we will do improper fractions. Improper fraction. In improper fractions, the denominators are smaller than the numerator. So in over here, let's reverse this example. See, 3 by 2. Denominators are smaller than the numerator. See, the numerator is 3 and over here the denominator is 2. Over here in proper fraction it's 4 by 7. So let's reverse it. 7 by 4. See, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. 11 by 9. 15 by 1. In this fraction, we see all the denominators are smaller than their numerators. So these types of fractions are called improper fractions. Now we will do mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, it's a combination of a proper fraction and a whole number. So let me show you the examples. 1, 2 by 3. 2, 4 by 7. 1, 9 by 11. 1, 1 by 15. So these are the examples of mixed fraction. A combination of a proper fraction and a whole number. See, this is a whole number and this is a proper fraction. So it's a combination of a proper fraction and a whole number. These examples are of mixed fractions. So now next, like fractions. Now let me give you a few examples on like fractions. 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 7 by 3. Over here we see all the denominators are same. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. All the denominators are same. Only the numerators are different. So these are called like fractions, where the numerators are different but the denominators will remain same. So these are like fractions. Now let's move to the next one, unlike fractions. In unlike fractions, the denominators will be different. 1 by 7, 2 by 5, 8 by 9, 11 by 3, 13 by 6. These are all examples of unlike fractions where we see the denominators are different from each other. See, all the denominators are different. So these are the examples of unlike fractions. Now next one, unit fraction. In unit fraction, the fractions having the numerator as 1 is called the unit fraction. 1 by 3. Where we see 1 is the numerator. So it's a unit fraction. Let me give you another example. 1 by 5. 1 by 7. 1 by 11. So these are all examples of unit fraction. Next, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions are those fractions that have the same value. For example, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. Why these fractions are equivalent fractions? Because when we reduce this fraction to its lowest form, we get the same value. Let's see how. 1 by 2, we can't simplify it further. But see, 2 by 4. 2 by 4. When we simplify 2 by 4, we get 1 by 2. Again, let's see the next one, 3 by 6. When we simplify it, we get 1 by 2. Next one, 4 by 8. When we simplify it, we get 1 by 2. So see, 1 by 2. So we see over here, all the fractions value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8 are equivalent fractions. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.